Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative and I am here with a haul from In the Love Art Shop. And so I showed you last month the stuff that I got. And so this month I got a different order and I'm going to show you what it is. Then I'm going to come back and show you what I created with what they sent me. So this is a pillowcase. I just want to check out the texture and the quality of it. And this is a nice size. And I don't have my mat over here. I forget. I think it's a I think it's 14 by 16 or something like that. 16 by 20, I think it was. So it's nice. It's zippered right here. So zipper's nice. Slip your pillow in there. Boom. And I got that for my sister because it is purple and that's her colors. Alright, so I only picked up 2 dies this go around, and this is the Memorydex by Nicole. I believe Nicole said she made this one, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe she didn't. She did it on her channel. I can't remember if she made it. I think she was talking about it, but I don't know if she made it. But anyway, this is With Hello, Love, and Smile. And I will show you a project with that in just a second. And then this was, it's a little smaller than what I thought it was. But this is a heart set that you can make into a booklet. So I will show you both of those projects. And I come back, and then I wanted to try the diamond dots. So I'm going to open it up and see how they look. So it does come with the standard pen, wax, and the little boat. So they have the 3, what do you call it? The head, that different head at the top. I forgot the name of it, but anyway. You know, these little pens that you use the wax for, you can use these for your rhinestones when you, or sequins, when you're picking up sequins. That wax is great for that. So let's see how the picture looks. I don't remember which image I got, to be honest. Oh, here it is. I'm getting it sideways. So it's a mountain scene. The letters are still nice and large. And the symbols. So this is like a mountain and sky scene. And I don't know what the, this is some Asian symbols up there. It's in Mandarin, I guess, or Cantonese over there. And then this is, let's see. So they have the numbers and stuff on the side. Doesn't have any like English dimensions or anything, so I'm not sure of it. And of course, I'm in the middle of tearing up my craft room and rearranging it, and like nothing's at my fingertips. So I don't have a rule at my fingertips at the moment. Apologize. But I will come back, of course, once I complete this, and I can tell you a little bit more about it. The thing I do see right now, it is pretty smooth. It is, you know, I like that I don't see any wrinkles in it, in the back of the canvas, so that's good. So I don't see any pockets in the front with the glue. Let's see how this, okay, nice tack. So we'll see. I think it's going to be nice. Sorry about the crinkling. So I don't see any like a sheet or anything to tell you how many you should have. So you know, I don't know if I'm missing a pack or anything. I do like the numbers on the outside. They're real big and bold, so I like that. They're coded. These are rounds. They look like they're not too, I don't see any static in them. I'm looking for a lot of junk. They look like they're the same size, what I can tell inside. But of course, it won't be till I dig in and kind of see how it is and playing with them. So hopefully it'll go well. And I will let you see the finished product and how that is. Again, like I said, I don't know how many bags I was supposed to have on size of the project. Oh, and I have another one over here. Now let's look at that screen and see how that one looks. So again, you have the standard toolkit that comes with pretty much all your diamond designs, and this is a smaller one. And this is just a tree. So I'm guessing this is probably like a 9 3/4. So I guess you can, oh, it's 28. So actually, I'm sorry, this one has 30, so this should have 30 of these, and this one has 28. Duh. All right, so yeah, so this is going to be a tree. So again, I will come back. This will probably get done first because it's smaller, and let you see how that one is and the colors and everything. So hopefully it will come out nice. They do take more time than your regular crafting to get done, and I work on them in stages, but I would take them during lunchtime and things like that at work, or when I travel this month. I can take that with me. It's easier to travel with these than it is with other crafts because this is all you need. That part I do like. And I gotta go to Florida for a week, so I will be taking one of these with me if it's not done by then, which I'm pretty sure it probably won't be. And I can work on it down there too. You know, but really, when you're in Florida, you gotta do a lot of other stuff too. Anyway, so hold on just a second. I'll bring back and I'll show you what I made with the 2 dies. I'll be right back. So this is the other part of the video. So I just wanted to show you what the pillowcase looked like. I put a pillow inside of here, a small one. It's a square. So it went in very nicely. Where's the zipper? Trying to remember what the zipper at. Oh, here it is. So zip right here. Like I said, you can barely see the zipper, which is nice, but it's easy to stick in there. And again, I just want to show you what it looks like with a pillow. So this pillow size is roughly probably about, let's see, 12, about 16 by 16. So you know, nice little throw pillow on your bed, so you can get anyone that prints tons of different designs. So make sure you check out In Love Art Shop for that. I also, I'm so upset because I would have been had this video, but I cannot find the other half of my Memorydex, my die. I was cutting them out, and here's some of the pieces, and here's the perfume pieces, and I don't know where my die is at. But anyway, so, and this is cut out the layers for the flaps, and yeah. So as soon as I find my die, I will show you some projects with that. But I can't find it at the moment. So, but I'm going to go to town, so I just want to get another video up. So the other die set that I just showed you, the heart set, the 3 pieces. So you can make a tiny little setup like this. And I just cut some of the pieces out, but I didn't make it into a book. But you can make it into one. You know, because it has the holes already pre-punched for you. And then I made this one, and I just used some of my Memento word dies. And I stuck one, and this one says hello, and I just punched out some flowers for one of my punches. You know, and of course you can leave this blank and use that whole space for a little Instagram photo. And I just put some bling on the flowers and the leaves. And that says hello. That was a left blank. Again, you can put a little portrait there. You can put another sentiment. You can stamp on it. That one says laugh. Hope you can see that because my lighting. That one. And that one says shine. Got all the little bling on it. And then that one, love. So again, that's just a little quick, little cute little project that you can do. You can cut them out in a smaller version or in a larger version and make it a little teeny brag book, or you could build an inspirational book. It can have quotes and it can have scripture in it. Whatever you want to put in here to stamp or to die cut and put in here is just a little motivational booklet that you can give to somebody in a quick little rack, happy mail, or inspirational moment. So real cute die. And as soon as I find my Memorydex die, I will come back with that one because it's such a cute die. And I will show you, I will come back with another video for this shop showing you once I finish the diamond dots painting. So I have 2 of those. So I will show you those separately because I won't be finished, I'm sure, with those at the same time. So anyway, I will have the link to their shop, their new shop. Check them out, and they're trying to grow and trying to figure out what their customers want. So check them out and see what they've got and see if you can leave them some feedback. And they also have a dial that you can spin and have daily sales. So if you hit it, you might get a 10% off, 20% off, different things like that. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.